In C++, you are able to perform computations at compile time. The three main keywords related to this functionality are constexpr, consteval, and constinit. If a function is constexpr, that means it can be evaluated at compile time. If a variable is constexpr, that means its value is a constant expression which is known at compile time. If constexpr enables conditional code execution based upon information that is known at compile time. If a class does not have a constexpr constructor, then it cannot be made at compile time. Functions that are constexpr and return auto can effectively return different types based upon compile time information. If a function is consteval, then it must be evaluated at compile time. Here you can see that since n is not a constexpr value, then add cannot be called because it is a consteval function. If consteval is used to deduce whether or not a function is being executed at compile time. This message is printed when the add function is not evaluated at compile time, or right here. Unlike constexpr, you cannot have consteval variables. Constinit ensures that a static variable is initialized at compile time. It is not like constexpr because you can mutate the values of constinit variables. Since a widget is dependent upon a value in another file, if w is initialized before global num, then you'll have static initialization order fiasco. By making global num constant, we're guaranteeing that it is initialized at compile time, which means that it'll be initialized before w, and therefore we can avoid having static initialization fiasco.